We are here in front of the Flash Academy, and I'm going to give you a short tour of our academy. At Flash, we believe that human beings are the most incredible raw material that any organization or any country has. And we believe that by training our staff and training people, we will make a much better company, or for that same matter, a much better country. So before I give you the whole explanation, let's go in and have a look. Come after me. So as we will walk in, you will see on the right wall, you will see success story. A success story is what the student writes when he completes his course. This is saying what he got out of it, did it help him, it didn't help him. Well, they all help me, so I'll give you a spoiler there. But you'll find it also on the left wall. These are just some of our success stories, not all of them. If we had all of them on the wall, we would run out of walls. Let's walk in. Now we are in our academy. As you can see, our student, each one is studying alone and doing his own individual course. He is doing the course that is correct for his curriculum. We have a supervisor who takes care of any situation where the student is not doing well. Otherwise, the students are pretty much running on the course by themselves. The entire curriculum is based on L. Ron Hubbard's Advent technology, where he teaches how to run organizations and many other things that are relevant to people. One of the things that we are doing first is studying how to learn. In my experience in schooling, never I was taught how to be a student. It was assumed that I will know automatically how to be a student. Well, it doesn't work that way. In order to be a good student, you need to understand what the barriers to study are and how you overcome them. The first thing that we teach in our academy is how to be a student. After that, we are taking care of what can be stopping one in his own life. In other words, if I have someone who works for me and he has problems at home, his productivity will not be good as he is bringing his trouble from home to work. By helping him resolve any issues that he has at home, we are actually making more productive personnel. Following that, we train with management courses. These management courses teach us one how to work better, how to manage his workspace better, how to manage his product better, and later on we follow that with executive courses. The executive courses take a person through finance, marketing, organization skills, and what it means to be an executive. Now, what we want to do is not only for Flash, we would like to get the community of Cape Town enjoying these courses. For that reason, we are looking for people who influence the community to come and get these tools where they can take it to their community and improve their community. Flash is doing this as a contribution to society with no cost for those people who are going to get it into their communities. I hope this gives you a good idea of what we are trying to achieve here at Flash. Have an awesome day.
Flash Academy are so amazing, the courses are so amazing, the information is so vital, the data is like out of this world.
Learning how to learn, which was the very first one, because I don't think I could have done the rest without doing that course first.
Professionally, it's given me the administrative tool to improve my career.
I just wanted to do the next one and the next one and carry on and on. And I started as a junior designer, and today, 2 years later, I am a division head within the company, and it's all through the courses.
Personally, it taught me on how to handle situations that some people mostly don't know how to handle. So for me, it really taught me on how to do things, how to follow the channels.
One of the courses that I did is DFT, which is Develop Traffic course. It has helped me so much with my work. It has opened my eyes of like on how to plan my work every day.
Developing traffic. That was like the solution to all my problems.
Now I'm able to start a conversation like with anyone. Like they are so amazing. They are so amazing.
Helped me to become a better human being. It has made me become more aware of granting others beingness, and it's just such an inspiration because everything that's taught to you in the academy makes you want to become a better human being, and it just encourages you to go out there and help others, and help society to become a better place to live in. So you attending the academy not just helps you professionally, it literally changes you as a person, and it changes your life.
After I did the financial planning course, my finances are better. I was able to buy my first car as well.
Ups and downs in life. I remember one time when I lost my place. That course helped me to build my strength, like to have confidence in myself.
And having done the ups and downs in that course, I became so much happier as a person.
I used to be a very shy child that never wanted to speak in front of a crowd, but the communication course, it taught me on how to be actually there when I'm right there.
The communication course assisted me in my job, especially as a sales consultant, to bring a message forward correctly and get the clients understanding much better, responding and understanding what they want.
I remember the day that I finished the communication course specifically, I was so happy, and I just started to communicate with people like I never communicated before, and that was a huge difference.
It really helped me develop myself.
You always feel happy because you know any situation you're in, you're going to come on top of it. So you will never feel down.
These courses are totally life-changing. They've totally changed my life. I'm not able to do what I do today without training that one.
I thank Flash a lot for the courses.
Wow, I've never been this happy in my life.
It's just great.
So amazing.
You'll feel on top of the world, basically.
Enjoying the courses.
I would say come to the Flash Academy, you're learning how to learn, do DFT, do communication, and see for yourself how it improves your life.